Hi guys and welcome to Drive Spark, and in today's news we are going to tell you that the government has decided to apply subsidy schemes for rare earth magnets. Now before starting, let us understand what exactly are rare earth magnets. Now rare earth magnet is a magnet made up of rare earth elements which is in the lanthanide series of the metal in the periodic table. Now the two most common rare earth magnets are neodymium and samarium cobalt. Now the government will take a decision on rolling out a scheme for subsidy domestic production of rare earth magnets in 15 to 20 days. That was said by Union Minister Mr. Kumaraswamy. Now the total initiative involves a cost of rupees 1,000 crore. The scheme will be sent to the Union Cabinet for approval. That was said by Heavy Industries Ministry Mr. Kamran Rizvi. Now, Mr. Kumaraswamy also said that one Hyderabad-based company are also showing interest, and they have promised that they will deliver 500 ton of rare earth material by the end of this year, that is December 2025. Now, we've had discussions with the Mines Minister, and our Secretary and our Union Minister are working on it, and a decision might be taken within 15 to 20 days. Now, the situation has arisen because China's recent restrictions on exports of key metals caused a widespread disruption in manufacturing of automobile and semiconductor chips in a host of countries that also includes India. The Secretary also said that actual production of rare earth magnets will take about 2 years, and the government along with the industry is looking at alternative sources for the development of the rare earth magnets in the interim period, which also includes Japan and Vietnam. Now Mr. Rizvi has also said in a statement that so you're aware that the rare earth magnet is available in Japan and Vietnam, and efforts are going on to take it from there. Now what exactly are rare earth magnets used for? Now as I mentioned, two important rare earth magnets at the start of the video. Now they are used for high performance automotive applications such as traction motors in electric vehicles. Now two-wheelers and passenger vehicles both are included in this, and also power steering motors, that is in passenger vehicles, in both electric vehicles and internal combustion engines. Now the rare earth magnet is a really important material for the automotive industry. The subsidy will also facilitate investment for establishing processing facilities for the companies to convert the rare earth oxide into magnets. Now, India Rare Earth Magnet Limited, a PSU under the Ministry of Atomic Energy, is the sole source of rare earth material in India, and they have enough rare earth to make 1500 tons of magnets, which was officially said. Now, Mr. Kamran Rizvi also said that it depends on the level of incentive. If it is less than 1,000 crore, Ministry and Finance Minister can do it. That means they can approve it. If it goes beyond 1,000 crore, the investment, then it has to go to the cabinet for approval. Now, some officials have also stated that 30 automotive firms have come forward and taken authorization from the Directorate of General and Foreign Trade to import rare earth magnets from China a fortnight ago, so that the production is not impacted negatively due to the shortage of the rare earth magnet. So I hope you like this video, and I hope you like this news. For such interesting news, please follow Drive Spark, and I will see you in the next video.